Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by uploading the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint. Do that now. Once done, open the file in Excel for the web. This is essential because only the online app exposes the share link flow. Next, click Share. You must choose folder and basic permissions before producing a link. Make sure to pick whether people can edit or only view, because that choice shapes the link's behavior. You're setting access control first, not copying blindly, so permissions align with your intent. Now you configure the link itself. Choose anyone, people in organization, specific people, or people with existing access. Once chosen, decide Edit versus View. If you need users to collaborate, enable editing, otherwise select View to prevent changes. Make sure to toggle optional settings like block download, require sign-in, expiration date, or password for extra security. After you set these options, click Apply so the share dialog reflects them. Only then use Copy Link. That finalizes the link with your exact permissions. Copy the generated link and immediately test it in a private browser window. This confirms the link does exactly what you set. Once tested, distribute to recipients and verify they can open, edit, or view per your settings. If they report failures, make sure the file's parent folder doesn't block sharing, check the chosen link type, and confirm your organization's tenant sharing policies permit external links. A quick troubleshooting tip. If access fails, change link to specific people and re-invite the email address. That usually clears permission conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.